In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a professional custom keychain using Inkscape from start to finish. Whether you are using a laser cutter or a CNC machine, this workflow is the gold standard for creating durable, beautiful keychains with perfect outlines. We will be covering text preparation, creating that iconic bubble border, and properly setting up your hardware holes for production. This design process ensures your final product looks professional and is structurally sound. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more software guides. Let's dive right into the software and get started. First, we need to handle our document setup. Open Inkscape and press Ctrl-Shift-D to open your document properties. Make sure to set your display units to millimeters or inches depending on your preference. Next, to see our paths clearly, go to the top menu, select View, then Display Mode, and choose Outline. Now, press Ctrl-Shift-F to open your fill and stroke panel and set your stroke width to 0.1 millimeters. This hairline thickness is essential for laser cutting accuracy. Now let's move into our main text preparation. Press T on your keyboard to select the text tool. Click on the canvas and type out the name for your keychain. Use the font selector to pick a thick, interconnected font. Once your text is ready, we need to convert it into a shape the machine can read. Press Ctrl-Shift-C to turn the object to path. At this point, the letters are still stuck together, so press Ctrl-Shift-K to break apart the paths. This will cause the holes in letters like O or A to fill in. To fix this, select the outer shape of the letter and the inner hole simultaneously, then press Ctrl-K to combine them back together. Once your letters look correct, move them so they slightly overlap and press Ctrl+ to perform a union. This welds the text into one single solid piece. To create the surrounding border, select your welded text and press Ctrl-D to duplicate it. Now, press Ctrl and the right parentheses key multiple times. This is the Outset command, and it will expand the path outward to create a thick protective border. If you notice any jagged edges, press Ctrl-L to simplify the path. If there are small holes left inside your border, take the node tool by pressing N, lasso those internal nodes, and hit delete. Now for the hardware hole where the ring goes. Press E to select the circle tool. Hold Ctrl to click and drag a perfect circle between 3 and 4 millimeters wide. Create a second, slightly larger circle around that one to act as the tab. Select the larger circle and your bubble border together, then press Ctrl+ to union them. Keep the smaller inner circle as its own path so the machine knows to cut it separately. As a final formatting step for acrylic projects, press Ctrl-A to select everything and hit H on your keyboard to flip it horizontally. This allows you to engrave on the back for a smooth front finish. Set your outer cut lines to a red stroke and your engraving areas to a black fill. That is it. You now have a production-ready keychain file. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.